Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubb's Family of Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2009 Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG. This vehicle has a 6.2 liter V8 with 518 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque off the top of my head. Pretty cool car. These were very expensive, brand new. I believe this was probably like a 150K car. I mean, new SLs now are like 150K to 200K. So yeah, very expensive coupe from Mercedes-Benz. You have all your modes here: AMG, Sport Plus, dial right there. You can control your mirrors here. This is also convertible. You can drop the top using this right there. And you also have a sunroof, which I think is kind of cool. Steering wheel is nice. High quality paddle shifters. You have a start stop engine button on this gear shifter, and then you control your seats on the door like you do in most Mercedes-Benz products. But let's go for a quick walk around. Harman Kardon sound system. Or 6.3 liter V8 actually. Looks pretty cool. Nice silver color. I see a lot of Mercedes-Benz SLs in this color. It suits the car pretty well. White carbon fiber spoiler, quad outlet exhaust tips. Check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below. We have a lot of cool pre-owned vehicles like this, so check out the inventory. Now let's go for that drive. This is an aftermarket Sony head unit with a backup camera. Just wanted a manual mode. Okay. Well, that V8 sounds pretty phenomenal, gotta say that. Handling is great, feels really nimble. Nice weighted steering, not too stiff, not too light. It's perfect for a car like this. And I believe this car does have massage seats and stuff like that too. You have some seat controls on the side of the seat, on the left side, which I'll have to explore a little bit more. Obviously the ride height is pretty low. The car sits pretty low. It's a, you know, it's a pretty big coupe. You have the German style cup holders that you find in a lot of German cars from this era. BMWs, Porsches, Mercedes. Just over-engineered cup holders. It's funny because there's really not much more space in the interior to do that. Shift paddles are a little bit slow to respond, to be honest. It is an older transmission, so not too surprised on that. But it's a cool feeling to be in this car. These are definitely some baller cars right here. Just so much power, such an elegant design. And as I said, these were very expensive when they first came out. Like, the SL is a very beloved vehicle by many. You know, people have been buying them over the years. A lot of people who buy SLs just keep on buying SLs. They keep trading in their old SL for the new one when it comes out. It sounds phenomenal. Wow. What a cool car.
I've driven SLs from
a lot of the generations. I haven't driven the new one though, but I heard the new one's pretty cool. But unfortunately the new one has a soft top, which just sucks. I hate soft tops. Yeah, so I like how this one is a hard top. It is pretty rough in Sport Plus, and yeah, I mean, obviously I expect that, but yeah, it's just pretty rough though. You gotta be pretty used to these rough suspensions, you know, if you're gonna daily drive a car like this. Goodness, this thing is fast. So when you hit the downshift pedal, the car is very quick to downshift, but when you try to upshift, it takes forever, which is weird. It doesn't have very quick upshifts, it has downshift. Like, look how quick it responds. Man, this thing sounds so good. This is a very cool car right here. I'm gonna put it in comfort mode. See how that changes things up. Turn off sport suspension. So this is like the mode you would use if you're just trying to cruise. If you wanted to go to aggressive settings right away, you just hit that AMG button and it'll go right back into it. Very cool. Now I'll turn off AMG. Just put it back in comfort. See how it's like to just cruise around, I guess. So steering is, yeah, look how nice and wired the steering is. It's a steering wheel, definitely feels very well connected to the steering rack, which is nice. You definitely feel connected to the road when you drive your car like this. This is the ultimate cruising vehicle, you know. Just drop the top on a weekend, go down the road, just enjoy the weather. You can use it forever. You can use it every day. It's a great daily driver. Obviously not in traffic, but if you have like a highway commute or like, you know, short drive which doesn't involve a lot of traffic, you would really enjoy driving this car. There's a rough bump right there. So yeah, you can definitely feel the bumps in this car, that's for sure. Yeah, you can definitely undulation in the road, all the little rocks and all that. It's a very harsh ride. So you have to definitely get used to that if you are not used to it and drive a car like this. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. Check out the link to Grubb's family of dealerships in the description below if you want to see other cool vehicles in the inventory. And please consider subscribing if you enjoyed. I will catch you on the next video.